Mr. Monahan's vision was that we would train knights armed with law degrees to go out there and change their communities, their states, their nations, and society in general. There has never been a greater need for lawyers with a moral compass, trained to be honorable and to practice law with integrity. As St. Thomas More pointed out, law is what keeps evil from our doorstep, and it is lawyers that administer the law. We believe that our mission has never been more important.
What does Ave Maria School of Law mean to me? It means bringing ethics and morals back into the practice of law.
Ave Maria has emphasized the service to the community and emphasized the whole person, not just teaching the law. I feel a lot of institutions, they can teach people how to apply the law and how to be an attorney. But not many institutions can give you that moral foundation, how to be an ethical lawyer. There's been a lot of donors, people like Bill Schoen, who've donated money to allow veterans to attend the law school. That's something that not only transforms the life of the veteran himself, allowing them to get a law degree and practice law, but allows them to pay it forward. It allows them to help other people.
What does Ave Maria School of Law mean to me? It means a commitment to the sanctity of life, religious freedom, and the Constitution of this great nation.
I'm grateful that I had the opportunity to go to Ave Maria for law school. I know that it prepared me well professionally, certainly for the bar exam. It prepared me for, especially my first few years as a lawyer. I think it compared favorably to a lot of my colleagues who had gone to different schools around the country. Moreover, I think it prepared me well to address a lot of the deeper questions of the law. One of the beautiful things about the Catholic intellectual tradition is that it views the human person in a sense in the full integrity. So, body and soul, will and intellect, faith and reason. So it doesn't separate out the person, that you have a professional side and then a moral side and then a spiritual side. It's all the same person. And so in a place like Ave Maria, they train the lawyer that way.
For me, Ave Maria Law means fighting to protect the rights of the unborn and those suffering from persecutions over their religious beliefs.
This is a law school like no other, where we can produce lawyers that are thinking, know the theory, are fine practicing attorneys, ready to hit the ground running, but are thinking about the law from a broader perspective, and have that extra added element of using faith and reason and their moral compass to guide them.
There's really no better feeling than knowing that there are people out there that recognize what we're doing and what kind of lawyers we're producing. It's very, very rewarding. I'm a very lucky guy to be able to teach here.
What does Ave Maria School of Law mean for me? It means receiving a first-class legal education based on a foundation of faith and reason.
I run a law firm in Southwest Florida, and I've had the privilege of hiring Ave Maria grads to work for us, and at the same time opposing Ave Maria grads in court. The young lawyer that works for me, she's great. I've had to train her as you do all young lawyers and teach them what we do. But one thing I haven't had to do, and it sounds trite and obvious, but I haven't had to talk to her about the right way to do it. And the Ave that I see, its mission is to produce good, honest, ethical people. And to me, that's one of the most important things that we can do in society today. Tom Monahan said he started the law school because lawyers run the country. It's true. And having lawyers that have the values that are instilled at Ave in positions of leadership someday is so important. I think it's probably the most important thing that we can do. We are so happy with Ave Maria. It's just a great, great place.
For me, Ave Maria Law means fighting to restore our moral and legal foundations of our great nation and our Constitution.
Making a difference in someone's life is important to me and to all of us at Jersey Mike's. I believe in the American dream, and I support educating lawyers with values that have made this country great.
Through the generosity of one of our benefactors, we have an initiative at Ave Maria School of Law that I believe will be transformative for our school and for our students. The Coach Rod Smith Business Law Institute is an opportunity for our students to be exposed to business law practice at the very highest levels.
You have been producing graduates who are so competent. You already have federal judges who are graduates of Ave Maria, which means, of course, when you're out talking to potential students that's a pretty powerful story to tell them. And the odds are pretty good that Ave Maria graduates may presently be more likely to get appointed than, say, Yale Law School graduates.
20 years ago in the legal profession, conservatives were totally shut out. And then came the Federalist Society. Then comes your school. And then you get justices like Scalia. And what you now have is a vibrant jurisprudential theory of originalism that didn't even exist 30, 40 years ago.
No other law school, very few other law schools are like it. Doing something about a thing called the Constitution. And some may think that's a document in the Smithsonian, antique relic. But it isn't. And you're bringing it to life with young people who are going to go out and fight for what is right. And that's how you win the battles. It's not by numbers, it's by having the right ideas. Right makes might.
Fides et ratio, faith and reason.
Faith and reason.
Fides et ratio, faith and reason.
Faith and reason.
Faith and reason.
For me, what is unique about Ave Maria School of Law is that by embracing the truth about the human person and about our society, we are educating the next generation of conservative, moral, and ethical lawyers. With your support, we can ensure that we will continue to educate ethical and moral lawyers that will go out there as knights and truly change the world.